Hey YouTube, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and today I'm going to be doing a print quality test on the Epson EcoTank 2400 model. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now the first test I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be printing on cardstock paper. I'm going to skip the test where we print on regular paper because I think that we can all pretty much imagine what that's going to look like. So this is the cardstock that I ended up using. For those of you that don't know, cardstock is just a heavier version of regular paper, and it can be used for different projects that you may need to have thicker paper for. So we're going to be printing off this project. It's going to be about 10 pages, and all you got to do is, of course, go into your system, go into your device that you're printing from, go into the settings, just make sure that you select something that's a little heavier. So in this case, I ended up using that 8.5 by 11 size, but I ended up actually choosing envelope because envelope paper is a lot thicker, and so that's what I ended up selecting because there was no option for cardstock. And so here is the project actually being printed off. This is a homeschool project. This is for a toddler, and so this is something that's going to have a lot of colors, a lot of different detail on it. And so we ended up laminating these sheets, and they ended up being perfect for what we needed. So I actually used this personally and was very happy with the end result. There was no streaks, there was no lines, there was no fading. So this project was successful with cardstock. And so now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be switching over to photo paper. I'm going to be showing you the exact type of photo paper I ended up using. And really, I like to do this photo paper test because it really shows you the ability that the printer has in printing on photo paper. And that is really telling for the overall quality that a printer is able to produce. And so here we go. We're going to be using this Epson photo paper. Within the settings on my smartphone, which is the device I'm using to print from, I'm using the Epson Smart Panel app. I'm going to be adjusting the settings. And so if you cannot find the exact type of media or the exact type of photo paper, select something very similar. So in this case, I'm going to end up choosing Ultra Premium Photo Paper Glossy. And that's because that matches up pretty close to the photo paper that I am using. I'm making sure that all the qualities are high, everything is right, the size of the paper is correct, and then I'm hitting print. And as soon as you hit print, it is going to take a period of time for the photo to actually print on the photo paper. I do have to say that this photo printing process was one of the longer ones that I've ever seen, about 5 minutes. So this is not the fastest printer when it comes to printing photos, but the quality is good. So that's really what matters at the end of the day. But for you, it may be that that's kind of a deal breaker, so it's good that you know that here in this video. So we're going to be moving on to our second photo that we're going to be printing. This one is also colorful. It's a little bit of a different environment, and so I like to get a mix of different colors and different things going on in the photo so that you can get a wide range of examples when it comes to this printer printing on photo paper. So again, good quality, no lines, no streaks. That's really good to see because many times if your printer is not really able to handle photo paper, it will throw some lines in there, and there will be some fading, some different distortions. And so all three of these photos, now you see this third photo, excellent quality, crisp. All the details are there, nothing is missing. And so that completes our print quality test video. The ink that I ended up using in this video actually is Epson ink, but I'm going to be doing another video where I'm going to be testing out remanufactured ink or refill ink that my brand sells, Best Printers, versus Epson OEM ink. And a little bit of a spoiler, they are about the same and virtually the same, I would say, when it comes to quality. But check out that link to that video in the description below. I'm also going to be linking the type of photo paper that I ended up using down in the description below, along with some other products I may include for this printer and for the ink that I sell with my company, Best Printers. And so all of your support to this channel, watching, liking, using the links down in the description below is greatly appreciated. But again, if this video is helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.